Hey pilots, this is Andrew at ThirdCoastRC. We're here today looking at the Apprentice here. This is a plane from, you get this plane from Horizon Hobby, and it flies really good. This is Jack. This is going to be his 19th flight, and this is a great plane to learn. This is what he's learned on. He's still in great condition, and we're going to see how easy it flies. Look, he's got how many flights he's had on it marked on the front there. So this is the Apprentice STS from Horizon Hobby going up. Super smooth takeoff into the sky there. Now this plane does come with safe, so you can turn that on, and it is on right now in intermediate mode. That's how the level Jack's on right now. So you got full safe where it won't let you bank hardly at all. I'll zoom out a little bit here because I'm losing the plane. And then you've got intermediate where it gives you about 45% banking. Then after that you've got no safe. You can turn it off altogether. Just got totally free flight then. And this is a great plane to learn with. No, because I've lost the plane now. There we go, we got it back. Camera freaked out completely.
Yeah.
Didn't know what I was doing. I was completely trying to focus on something miles away. You can try and do a loop. You're going to come out of safe mode now. And Jack's going to come out of safe mode, and this is where he's at with his skill level now. Going up. Oh, she don't want to do it. Now he's going to have to correct it. There you go. Just goes to show though, this plane is there he goes. Alright, don't get carried away, buddy.
Alright, I'm gonna bring it in the land.
Alright, so he's going to bring it in a land. We'll see how he does here with the landing. Maybe he's go around again. Going around one way. We've got a little bit of a wind blowing up now. He's just going around again, losing a little bit of airspeed, losing a little bit of height. Now he's coming in. Just a little bit of a tip at the end there, but perfect little flight there. So this is a great plane if you want to learn how to fly. It's probably the best trainer out there with all the assists that it has, and then you can move on from this plane to just about anything. It's got like pretty big wingspan, probably about probably bigger than 4 feet. I think it's nearly 5 foot wingspan, and this is a great plane. So check it out. We sell them in our store, ThirdCoastRC here in Houston, and we'll see you next time. Bye.